what will it do for you? It'll get you off those artificial junk food blues. With his grains and beans, nuts and seeds, herbs and teas, dried fruits and some honey from the bees. All kinds of food to support your life. 'Cause if it comes from Mother Earth, it's bound to be right. You ought to come by and check it out. See what Mother Earth Foods is all about.
Visit Mother Earth Foods at 19th and Plum Streets in Parkersburg.